This new motorhome fits in a parking spot and is merely 22.5 feet long, which looks too small and cramped out. But on the inside, it offers immense space, a super spacious bathroom, and a unique bedroom setup, all within your price range. Let's take a look.
Motorhome luxury.
Presenting to you the 2025 Gulfstream BT Cruiser 5210, which starts at around $92,000 and can go above $100,000, depending on the customization and extras. On its front, the BT Cruiser carries a more streamlined RV design than other RVs that come with a huge cab overhead section that looks too bulky. The much uplifted front bonnet ensures you have good visibility from the windshield, along with the big LED headlights on both sides. At the center of the bonnet, you can see a bold grille design that carries the Ford logo, along with a durable bumper that'll protect you in tough times. The BT Cruiser 5210 is based on the Ford E350 chassis with a 7.3-liter V8 engine. Coming to the passenger's side, you have the passenger's door, extended side mirrors for better visibility, and extended side steps that make entry inside the cabin much more convenient. The whole exterior of the BT Cruiser is wrapped up in laminated fiberglass that makes it durable and lightweight. Moving past the passenger's door, there is a deep storage compartment that allows you to put your chairs and a folding table when you're hitting the road. Right beside this compartment is a side camera that eliminates blind spots for you, ensuring you have a safe ride all the time. Above the compartment, there are frameless black windows that not only give you a beautiful outside look, but also protect your RV from leaks from the seams. That's a smart move. Up next is the main entry door, which, as always, we'll talk about as we are about to get inside the RV. Around the entry door, you have a couple of plugins, a tankless water heater, and a 42-pound LP gas tank. But you know what's super special? This little Class B Plus RV comes with a power patio awning that comes out beautifully to let you sit under and relax in your precious moments. The awning comes with built-in LED lights and speakers to enhance the mood even further, setting a perfect environment for parties, date nights, or friend gatherings. The back looks much more minimal but holds some very special features that will come in use. It comes with a 7,500-pound rear hitch that allows you to tow a smaller vehicle or a trailer, a spare tire, and a rear mount ladder that takes you to the roof. But what's on the roof? The roof of the BT Cruiser 5210 houses a 200-watt solar panel setup along with a 13,500 BTU roof air conditioner that can also be upgraded to 15,000 BTU, ensuring the interior of the RV remains perfect for you. It's now time to head to the driver's side, and this is where all the fun lies. Just beneath the rear corner of this side lies the black and the gray water tank, each with a 26-gallon capacity that are completely accessible from the outside. Unlike other RVs that have underbelly tanks and are really hard to reach, these are much more accessible. So, if the main control panel isn't showing the correct statistics about the tanks, you can go and check yourself. Smart and easy. Plus, there's a pipe connected to both of the tanks that can be used to dump the contents of these tanks more easily and conveniently. Moving ahead, there's a cluster of tanks and equipment. You have the city water connection, cable satellite connection for high-speed internet, the black water tank flush, a 30-amp power cord, as well as the fuel tank that can store up to 55 gallons of fuel, allowing you to cover long distances. But here comes the best part. It also has an exterior shower hookup, so if you want to enjoy a warm shower on the hills or just want to clean up your muddy shoes before entering the RV, that's possible. The freshwater filler lies just a bit ahead on this side, and the tank can store up to 41 gallons of fresh water, offering you a longer off-grid possibility. This off-grid power is further boosted by the second-house batteries and the 4,000-watt generator that rests in the store compartment just behind the driver's door. To enhance the aesthetics of the exterior, you have a few frameless black windows on this side too. One good feature of these windows is that they open toward the outside, so even if it is raining outside, you can still open the windows without getting your RV wet and dirty. Let's come to the main entry door now, which is quite wide for an adult to easily get inside the RV. It also comes with a screen door on its inner frame that allows you to enjoy the outside view without compromising on insects. To make your entry much more convenient into the BT Cruiser, there is also a sturdy door handle and an electrical step that comes out. Well, that's the exterior, and it looks mind-blowing. But what if I told you that the interior has even more surprises, including a super spacious bathroom and an interesting sleeping setup? Let's not wait any further and step inside this beautiful Class B+ RV. Stepping inside the BT Cruiser, it feels completely different and unique than other regular RVs, especially due to the one-of-a-kind floor plan it has. But first things first, just as you climb the entry steps, there are a few buttons on the right side of the wall that control the lights. There's also a switch knob which, once you turn off, shuts off the whole power of the RV. So if you're not using the RV, or are looking to save more power, you can simply turn it off. Above these little buttons, you get the solar charger and the main control panel. Unlike many other Class B+ RVs that come with a touchscreen control panel, the BT Cruiser comes with an analog control panel with buttons and switches that let you control the awning, lights, and the generator, and also check the water levels in different tanks. By the way, what do you prefer more? Analog control panels or the digital ones? Let us know in the comments. Just on the opposite side wall, there is the big wardrobe cabinet with a mirror that allows you to store plenty of clothes inside. Along with that, you get multiple smaller storage cabinets for extra storage and a fire extinguisher for emergency purposes. But hey, why is the wardrobe right at the back? Where's the bathroom then? Well, that's the surprise. The BT Cruiser 5210 comes with a huge rear bathroom setup that offers immense space and comfort. Unlike many 20-feet RVs that come with a cramped, out-wet bath setup where you struggle to sit on the toilet or use the shower, this luxury RV has a dry bath setup with separate toilet and shower sections that feel much nicer and better. The bathroom includes a toilet, a sink with a faucet, some medicine cabinets, a beautiful skylight, and a fan on the ceiling for better ventilation, and a few buttons that allow you to turn on the tankless water heater. The shower includes an adjustable shower head, another skylight, as well as a retractable shower door that ensures higher privacy. Getting so much in such a compact design is a feat of engineering, isn't it? Speaking of top-class engineering, let's come to the kitchen that sits right in front of the bathroom. This is not the biggest kitchen setup of all time, but the way Gulfstream has configured this whole setup is amazing. You get a 2-burner cooktop, a high-rise faucet with a deep sink, a microwave oven on the upper side wall, and plenty of storage in the cabinets both above and beneath the kitchen countertop. A 6 cubic feet 12-volt refrigerator sits right across the kitchen with a separate icebox, allowing you to store plenty of food in the fridge and keep it fresh. Moving forward, we have the living area, or the lounge area, that speaks of immense space and comfort right from its first look. Well adorned with large overhead storage cabinets on both the side walls that allow you to store huge loads of items, the living room consists of 2 long jackknife sofas that can sit up to 6 people quite comfortably. So, even if you're a big family going on the trip, this seems perfect. There are 2 table hookup spots on the floor between the sofas that allow you to install a long table there and convert this whole section into a wonderful dining setup. And here comes the big surprise. By simply removing the table and unfolding the sofas, you can prepare a spacious twin bed setup that can sleep up to 2 adults and a couple of kids. Perfect for your little family too. To enhance the aesthetics of this interior, there are again the big windows on both sides that give you a beautiful look on the outside. To ensure privacy when needed, they come with privacy shades too. Now, if you're wondering whether your trip in the BT Cruiser is going to be boring, you're completely wrong. Just above the section above the driver's cabin, there is a TV hookup that allows you to install a 40-inch TV to fulfill all your entertainment needs while you're on the road. There is also a strap on one side of the wall of the driver's cabin where you can put your table after getting it off the dining area. Plus, there are a couple of storage cabinets and some extra space on the cab overhead area, which is quite nice. However, since we've talked so much about the driver's cabin, let's head inside it and see how exciting it is. The best thing here is that you can access the cabin either from its respective doors or directly from the camper section of this little RV. So, if it's raining outside or you've parked in a muddy area, no need to step outside and dirty your shoes. The cabin looks cozy yet comfortable with 2 captain chairs for the driver and the passenger. However, they can't swivel. Is that going to be an issue for you? Speaking of that, visibility is not going to be an issue either, thanks to the large windshield and the windows on both sides. The dashboard looks equally amazing with a digital instrument cluster, a touchscreen infotainment system that allows you to control all the cameras and navigation, and plenty of buttons and sliders for the sound and temperature as well. For more comfort, there are cup holders and storage shelves in the cabin, which makes it a really thoughtful design. Would you like to see the world's smallest Class A? Click on this video and I'll see you soon with another luxury motorhome.